Day 56, we found a little cute, like, Italian coffee shop around the corner by the train station, and we kind of hung out there. Brooke had spaghetti bolognese,
Which
was
is
quite
really
tasty.
good, yeah.
I had egg salad and tuna salad.
That
was like,
wasn't enough for her, and so
yeah,
she had
so
to have
I had it
two of
twice. They were small.
them. And then she got a milk tea, and I got this ice cream cup, and he poured espresso over it, and it tasted like espresso ice cream, pretty much.
It was delicious. And Brooke played Minecraft, and I got my bed skirt up on eBay finally. So that happened. So that was delightful. What?
You just almost hit me in the face.
No, you just thought that.